students, this is Hani Mehta in front of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Stay at home. Me, I am awesome. Students, today we will discuss about noun. N-O-U-N, noun. You can say in Hindi, Sangya. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing, etc. are called noun. Just look at here. In my one hand there is a pen and in other one there is a mobile. So these are the part of our noun. Now the next thing is that how many kinds of noun are? Noun are of 5 kinds. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. First of all, let's discuss what is common noun. A common noun names a person, place or thing of the same kind. Like there is a book, table, keyring. These are the part of common noun. Now come to proper noun. A proper noun names a particular person. Like this is Hani in front of you. My name is Hani Mehta. So Hani is proper noun. Now next one is collective noun. A collection noun names a collective of person or things. It takes as a group. Likewise, there is a bunch of keys. Library of books. These are the part of our collective noun. In other words, when a lady or when other persons move to listen the satsang, so many people were placed there, sitting there. So these people make a crowd. So ample of people make a crowd. So this crowd word is the part of collective noun. Now next thing is that abstract noun. An abstract noun names the state, quality, feeling or idea of any person or thing. Just have a look there. No doubt it's a cushion. Cushion is a common noun. But what the picture is drawing in the cushion? That picture is smiling. So it takes the feeling. So this is the part of abstract noun. Now the next one is that material noun. Material noun names the matter or substance of which things made of. Likewise, this is a glass of water. So my water is my material noun, and just have a look there. This is sanitizer, in which is very much required in these days. This sanitizer is also the part of material noun. And just have a look there. One more thing is there, that is pulses. So this pulse is also the part of material noun. And another thing, just look at my fingers. These fingers are also the part of material noun. And another thing is that just look at this, have a sanitizer. It is made up of plastic. So plastic is a material noun. Another thing, look at these chairs and tables. If we think that in which thing it is made up of, these are made up of wood. So wood is a material noun. Hope you got my words. Now next thing is that classification of noun. Noun can be classified into 2 parts, countable and uncountable. Just there are 4 or 5 books placed on the table. I can easily count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this one is 8. This is called countable noun. And next thing is that there is a glass or a sanitizer. Can we count it? No, we can't count it. So it is the part of uncountable noun. Thank you. Have a peaceful day.